Ladies and gentlemen, track is in session. Advanced group, the stick. It's gonna be about 95 degrees today, so we're definitely gonna be testing the limits of our cooling systems and our brakes. So hopefully nobody overheats on the track, because it's a bitch to clean up. I went out and got a feel for it. I just slipped a gear in DCT. Never felt that before, 2 to 3, but I was kind of like drag racing onto the track. So I'm gonna try to do the track in 3rd gear, 3rd and 4th, so I don't overheat the gearbox. I'm gonna bring you along for the next one. If it happens again and I lunch the DCT, you'll be there to see me spend a lot of money. All right, let's go out for another lap. I'm really curious if my transmission is gonna cook itself, but that's why I'm bringing you along. So we'll see what happens. This is Andrew.
What's up?
All right, we got a shift.
This thing brakes like a motherfucker now.
Oh, we haven't even touched them. That was 20%.
Ho ho ho! Hot damn!
Good.
Dude, it's consistently always just pull you forward kind of braking.
Driving is fun.
Oh yeah. You're wheeling this thing, man.
Yeah, I love this car.
Holy crap.
I'm thrilled with these brakes. I did not have this amount of brakes the last time I was here. I'm able to take a lot more chances and like go deeper into those zones, like actually feel confident that it's gonna happen, and I'm not getting any shuddering. It's like really smooth braking. I'll do it. I'm really thankful to be out here today because yesterday my brakes were completely leaking. I was just pissing fluid everywhere and I had to kind of hobble it to Wild Motorsport. So again, I just want to thank Jake and Evan at Wild Motorsport for making today possible for me, because otherwise I would not be driving. We're gonna go out with the big boys today. This is the advanced group. This is Chew, very old friend from college, but he's not very old. And this is his E46 M3. This is actually the first M3 I ever drove. And Chew's been out on the track for years, trying to get me to do the same, but I've been bad about that. But here I am, finally doing it. Just showed me a couple major changes in my line. Now I'm actually getting a lot faster through certain areas. This is a good track. David's wrapping up early, but he went to start it to put it on the trailer and just got a big puff of white smoke. You saw that white smoke when we were driving in Chew's car. David's spinning a lot in there. Tire smoke. And actually, it wasn't the inside tire. It was probably a blown head gasket. So once again, we're pushing David's car onto the trailer. get rid of Eddy.
That's a tough feat to follow.
I'm gonna give it the point by up on the straight. Maybe not.
You got that V8. Oh, he's waiting for us. I know what he's doing. Oh, wants to play.
Here we go.
Oh my God, he's crazy.
Told me to stay inside. I'm gonna give her the point by. He's making me work for it.
Oh yeah.
Whoa!
He's crazy to that section.
I'm not prepared to do that.
No sir, you'll get sideways so fast. Oh, he's getting sideways a little bit. Jesus.
I'm gonna catch him.
This is Drew's little section.
This is where we have about the same amount of torque. He's on our 888Rs, dude.
Those tires are, oh my God, that car.
Let it be known that I am on Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's and they are on our 888Rs. That's all I need to say.
They've got the R compound. And those things are weightless.
I feel like my tires are just totally greased.
Oh my God, there we go.
God.
That was nuts. Jesus.
And my oil temps are getting a little high.
We're getting hot.
We're gonna do a little bit of a cool down. I'm just gonna leave it in fourth. Try to get these temps down a little bit. I need to let the car live, not just to keep up with a couple of fucking hatchbacks.
How high are we getting?
It's just at the top end of its like comfortable limit. All right, let's get back on it. I just got my fuel warning light.
Wow. S65 life.
Stay in, get over.
Oh, that overtake.
Yeah, I'm not feeling comfortable with the brakes anymore.
Alright.
Cool down, and we're pitting in. Woo!
That was fun.
Fucking good.
That was a good session.
That was me running in advance for the first time.
And you kept up. It's hot out here. 92.
92.
Yeah, the cars are taking a beating outside, to say at least. The air-cooled 911 would have been struggling out here. Anything you gotta say?
I think that's my last session. I'm really happy. I'm proud of that. That was really good.
Good day. On these tires, kept up with the R Compound boys extremely well. Tom was really pushing it out there. PTSRS, his first track day, he's having a blast. Good day, but God, it's fucking hot out here. Good job, Tom. Good job, Tom.
Guys, thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. Don't forget to respect the drive and make sure if you have a friend like Eddie, you know, once in a while you show him what's what.